Another question from Miguel Santos. Tama ba sir ang efficiency variance ay variable overhead? Volume naman ay sa fix. Di ba volume is also known as controllable? Non-controllable. Okay, sige. So, first question muna. Tama ba ng efficiency variance ay for variable? The answer is yes, no? Paano sir, paano malalaman, no? 'Di ba ang formula for the efficiency variance, no, in a three-way is that budgeted overhead based on actual hours minus budgeted overhead based on standards. So, gawin nyo class, yung dalawang formula na yon pagdutungin nyo. Pagdugtungin. Ibig sabihin, di ba ang formula ng budgeted overhead based on the actual hours is that variable cost per unit based on budget to be multiplied by the actual hours plus budgeted fixed cost. Tama? Minus, sa kabila naman, budgeted variable cost per unit based on budgeted to be multiplied by standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost. So, gawin nyo class, equal sign mo na lang, hindi na minus. Ang mangyayari dyan is that yung budgeted fixed cost ay maka-cross out. Ilagay mo sa kabila, yung budgeted fixed cost, ilagay mo sa kabila, maka-cross out. Ano matitira? Only your variable cost per unit to be multiplied by the actual hours minus variable cost per unit to be multiplied by standard hours. Kaya ang efficiency, yes, para po yan kay variable overhead. Kaya pag nakuha mo na yung total efficiency variance, yan na rin yung variable efficiency. Huwag mo nang i-compute pa. Yan na yun, no? Volume naman. Ang volume po ba ay fixed? Yes. Again, go to the formula. How do we compute for the volume? Budgeted overhead based on standard hours minus your applied overhead. How do we compute for budgeted overhead based on the standard hours? Variable cost per unit at budgeted to be multiplied by the standard hours plus budgeted fixed cost. Kabila naman is equal to applied overhead. Anong formula? Variable cost per unit times standard hours plus standard fixed cost per unit budgeted times standard hours. Kaya sa formula yon, mawawala yung variable cost per unit times standard hours. Ano matitira? Budgeted fixed cost minus your fixed cost per unit times standard hours. Ibig sabihin, para kay volume para kay fix ang volume variance. 'Di ba ang volume daw is also known as no controllable. Hindi yan no, it should be non-controllable. Yes, in